Electrical symbols: switch, fuse, alternating current, DC direct current, resistor, inductor, capacitor, and diode, transformer, circuit breaker, DC power source, battery, ampere meter, voltmeter, wattmeter, ground and earth, lamp, light, bulb, motor, relay, wire and cable.